Today is Friday, August 26th, and this is the Dragon Charts Daily Stock Pick video for the Indian stock market. Today we're going to be taking a look at some stocks that have been on our watch list for the past several days. None of them have actually met our buy trigger yet, but several of them are getting very close to our buy entry price, so we're going to take an updated look and adjust our trigger prices. If you take a look right here, you'll see in our most recent video the list of stocks that we were looking at, as well as what their potential buy prices were. Okay, we're looking at the Dragon Charts stock screener. There's three types of scans here on Dragon Scans. One is the relative strength breakout. This is for stocks that are breaking out of a base of consolidation. These are going to be generally the strongest stocks in the market, which you can quickly find in a matter of seconds. Pullback may not return results under current market conditions because this is for stocks that are trending steadily higher and then pull back to support, whereas in a weak market there's not a lot of those to be found. So this is a good indication of market conditions if there's no results found with the pullback. But trend reversal is the way that we find stocks that have been in a downtrend for an extended period of time and then start to reverse higher. These are stocks that reverse and form a higher low, and their moving averages start to turn higher as well. And this is actually how we found SunGold, which was on the Bombay Stock Exchange. So we'll change to Bombay. We're on trend reversal, and then we just hit the Scan Now button. You'll see we get 8 stocks. These are all stocks that are going to be reversing their downtrends. And here's SunGold. What we really find interesting about this stock is it's reversed and formed a higher low, and now it's consolidating in a very tight range. If we look at the 3-month chart, you can see a very tight range. It's consolidating. It's moved above its 200-day moving average now. The 20-day moving average, the pink line, is crossed up above the 50-day moving average, and now the 50-day moving average is sloping higher. So it has all the indications of a stock that's starting a new uptrend, and the volume's been picking up, so we're seeing some accumulation here ahead of the stock's breakout. And what we're looking for here is for the stock to break out above this horizontal line, which hasn't happened yet, but the consolidation is getting tighter and tighter. And the tighter a consolidation gets, the more likely the breakout is to come. And when the breakout comes, the more powerful the breakout will be. So we're still looking at buying this above the 25.65 level. Now let's switch back to the National Stock Exchange to take a look at one of the setups that was on our list. We'll do a relative strength breakout so that we can quickly, at a glance, see the strongest stocks in the National Stock Exchange. We can sort them by relative strength if we want to see the ones at the top are going to be the strongest stocks in the market. Let's go ahead and take a look at Quality Dairy, which is a stock that had come up on our list before. What we really like about this stock is, again, notice how it's holding support of its 20-day moving average, nicely trending higher, holding the 20-day moving average, and it's very tight consolidation. The consolidation is getting tighter and tighter right here, and we've got a volatility contraction. So what's happening as we get this volatility contraction, we're likely to see a breakout volatility expansion very soon. I'd be surprised if it didn't happen in the next 1 to 2 days. So this remains on our watch list as a potential buy entry above the high of this range right here. Specifically above the 170.7 level is the breakout entry point. And if that does trigger for buy entry, then our stop price is going to be down here below reversal candle right here. So keep that on your watch list today. Now, the last stock we're going to look at here, which was on our watch list, is IFB Agro Industries, traded on the National Stock Exchange. We've been targeting this stock now for the past 4 days. We liked that it had just broken out of a long-term base of consolidation. It's entering into a brand new uptrend. High volume confirmed the breakout here. And now the stock is pulling back to near its 20-day exponential moving average. Now, we had been saying that we're looking to buy this on a pullback to the 20-day exponential moving average, but strong stocks often will only come near the moving average and not actually touch it. So it's close enough now that we will look to buy this either on a pullback to the 20-day moving average, which is rising, or if it rallies above yesterday's high. If it rallies above yesterday's high of 150.50, 150.5, that would be a potential buy entry for us, because that would indicate a resumption of the new uptrend that's developed. You can see the short-term downtrend line here. So a rally above the high of yesterday's high will likely take the stock marching it higher, continuing its new uptrend. So whichever comes first, either pull back right here to the 20-day exponential moving average, which is currently at 135.53, or a rally above the high of yesterday, whichever comes first. So our top stocks on our watch list are Sun Gold, Quality Dairy, and IFB Agro, although Gujarat Fluorochemicals and Gujarat Mineral Development remain on our watch list as well. So we'll be sure to update you tomorrow with the performance of these stocks, which one's triggered for buy entry, if any, and we'll let you know what other new stocks come up on our watch list as well.